Guys, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and it's been a long time since I've done a model train video. But yeah, I'm a little disappointed with my Rapido latest model here. This is an 840cm, is that what it's called? Let me just check what it is. Yeah, 8-40cm. Now, this is a Canadian model that I just recently purchased. It's a brand new locomotive, and I was hoping to, run it on this little layout today along with a few other trains. And just when I was opening it up, I was really disappointed and really kind of surprised to see that the rear truck, this just right fell out of it. I haven't even removed all of the packaging around everything, and it just seemed to have fallen out. And this is actually the first time I've had this happen with any model train that I've actually bought. And I'm going to have to call Pacific Western Rail Services. This is the company that I bought my model train from. They've been pretty good in the past about returning stuff if things are broken in transit or damaged off the get-go. And it doesn't happen very often that I've ever had any problems with model trains being either damaged or whatever in transit or just defective from the get-go. But in this case, I'm just really surprised because anything I've got from Rapido Trains has been really good quality and never any problems. And yeah, I'm just surprised that this has happened. So that's the rear truck, and it just kind of fell out when I picked it up. Took off the cellophane, was going to put it on the track here on my little layout to run a few locomotives here and give it a little test run. I mean, quite frankly, I was going to do a little bit of an unboxing, but it was kind of a case of, well, I wanted to get at it right away. I mean, I did get this package like on Monday, but it's been sitting around and on my workbench or whatever, and just I haven't opened it up, haven't had a chance to look at it yet, and this is my first impression of it. And yeah, I'm really disappointed that I'm not going to get to run this right now. And I'm going to have to call Pacific Western a little bit later on in the day because they're on Pacific time. I'm here in Montreal. Let them know what happened and see about getting a replacement locomotive because, yeah, this is kind of unacceptable. I can't. I tried plugging that rear truck in there just to see if it would just pop right in or something. I just don't know how to do it. So if it's a question of I can just pop it in, I would, but it just doesn't look like it's going to be a component where I can just push it in and it's going to, clip in or something like that. I don't know how that works. So I'm not going to fool around with it until I talk to somebody on the phone to let them know this has happened. And, I'm probably going to have to send it back to them and they're going to have to send me a replacement. So, yeah, that's a little disappointing. I mean, the detail on it looks really good and everything, but I just can't run it. So there's not much to say about it other than, it's a bit of a disappointment that I haven't been able to pick this up, take it up, take out the foam and everything like that, because, I'm not going to go any further with this until I get that little issue with the rear trucks resolved. Anyways, just wanted to let you know this is what happened to me. I mean, yeah, most probably everybody who got one of these locomotives didn't have any damage or didn't have any, whatever, defective issues. I unfortunately did. So I'm going to have to rectify this before I can put this model on the tracks and run it here. And but my first impressions of it in terms of the detail are that it looks really great. It's just that the quality might be a little bit lacking. I don't know. I'm hoping that's not the case because Rapido has done some really great things in the past. And I've never had any problems with any of their products up until now, to be honest. So we'll see how this goes. So thanks for watching the little video and have a good day.